When experience counts, the aircraft maintenance team at Northeast Air delivers. Our highly trained technicians are prepared to meet all your aircraft needs, including inspections, repairs, avionics, specialty installs, and more. Book your appointment with confidence, knowing that we have excellent protocols in place to ensure cleanliness and virus mitigation for your aircraft on arrival, during and after completion of work. We are proud to be one of only 2 Pilatus service centers in the Northeast, and our reputation for excellence extends to Citation jets. Our mechanics have spent thousands of hours troubleshooting, inspecting, and repairing PC-12s and Citations. We're committed to providing top quality, on-time, cost-effective service while maintaining important personal relationships with all our customers who become part of the Northeast Air family. Our department is now operating at full capacity and looking forward to booking your next appointment. Contact us today. Northeast Air, defining service excellence.